Introduction. Discover the joy of outdoor activities for 3, 5-year-olds. Welcome to Little Explorers, unleashing the magic of outdoor activities for 3, 5-year-olds. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey into the world of outdoor play and exploration, specifically designed for children aged 3 to 5. Outdoor activities not only provide endless fun, but also offer numerous benefits for young children's development. So, let's dive in and discover the joy that awaits our little adventurers. Section 1. Exploring nature's wonders, engaging senses and curiosity. In Section 1 of Little Explorers, Unleashing the Magic of Outdoor Activities for 3, 5-year-olds, we will delve into the enchanting world of nature's wonders. Outdoor exploration is a fantastic way to engage your child's senses and curiosity, allowing them to discover the beauty and mysteries of the natural world. By immersing themselves in nature, children can develop a deeper understanding of their surroundings and foster a lifelong love for the environment. So, let's embark on this sensory adventure and see how outdoor activities can ignite your child's curiosity. Section 2. Active playtime, building gross motor skills and coordination. Welcome to Section 2 of Little Explorers, unleashing the magic of outdoor activities for 3, 5-year-olds. In this section, we will dive into the world of active playtime and how it can help build gross motor skills and coordination in young children. Engaging in physical activities not only keeps kids active and healthy, but also promotes the development of essential motor skills that are crucial for their overall growth. So, let's get moving and discover the exciting ways outdoor play can enhance your child's physical abilities. Section 3. Creative adventures, nurture imagination and problem solving. Welcome to Section 3 of Little Explorers, unleashing the magic of outdoor activities for 3, 5-year-olds. In this section, we will explore the world of creative adventures and how they can nurture your child's imagination and problem-solving skills. Engaging in imaginative play not only sparks creativity, but also helps children develop important cognitive abilities. By encouraging your little ones to embark on exciting outdoor adventures, you are providing them with opportunities to think critically, solve problems, and express their unique ideas. So, let's dive into the realm of creativity and discover the endless possibilities that outdoor activities offer for your child's growth and development.